Experiencing data problems with Optimum Mobile? The most common culprit is an incorrect APN. APN, access point name, acts as the gateway between your phone and the internet. First, check your APN settings. Go to your phone's settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names. Ensure the following settings are entered exactly. Name Optimum, APN Optimum, proxy not set, port not set, username not set, password not set, server not set, MMSC not set, MMS proxy not set, MMS port not set, MCC 310, MNC 410, authentication type not set, APN type default supl MMS. Save these settings. If data still isn't working, try a quick network reset. Toggle airplane mode on and off, or restart your phone. These simple steps often resolve temporary glitches. If the APN settings and quick fixes don't restore your data connection, the next step is to check for a wider Optimum Mobile outage. Visit the Optimum website or app, or use a third-party service like Down Detector to see if there are reported outages in your area. If there's a known outage, you'll need to wait for Optimum to resolve it. If no outage is reported, a more drastic measure is to reset your phone's network settings. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset, but remember to back up your data first. On Android or iOS, go to Settings, System, Reset Options to find these settings. If problems persist, contact Optimum Mobile Support for further assistance. According to recent reports, while Optimum Mobile has been experiencing intermittent data connectivity issues, particularly in urban areas, these steps often resolve the problem.